What's going on, guys? It's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on the Andy Kandola Show. In this video, I want to go ahead and share with you guys why I am still buying Lemonade. Now, here's the thing. Lemonade, just in the last day here, is down over 6%. I'm going to share with you guys why I'm still bullish on this company. Plus, we'll go over some of the things that they shared in their recent earnings report, which just came out in the last week. Now, if we look at this company, guys, they're down over 14% in the last 5 days. Just in the last 2 days, this company's down over 20%. Which kind of sucks, but at the end of the day, if you are a buyer in this company, it's a great time to go ahead and load up on this company. And I'm going to share with you guys all the reasons why I like this company and why I'm still buying even though I'm down in Lemonade. And I'll share with you guys how much I have in my current position. Now, if you are investing in the stock market, everything at this point is down. The NASDAQ and all the tech stocks are getting hit probably the most here. And right now, guys, the NASDAQ is down over 361 points just in the last day. If we go ahead and look at the last week, we are currently sitting under 13,000 at 12,997 in the NASDAQ. So I do believe that we are seeing a correction in the market at this time. Now, here's the thing. In regards to Lemonade just recently went ahead and came out with their quarterly earnings report, and they had a letter that they opened up to the shareholders. Basically, guys, in regards to this letter, just to sum up some of the things that Lemonade did go ahead and talk about, they did have a lot of good news that they shared in regards to their revenues, what they're doing as far as acquiring more customers. Plus, they gave us some hints in regards to some of the new products that they're coming out with. Now, before I get into this letter, I'm hoping everybody's familiar with what Lemonade is, but just to give you guys an overall scope of what Lemonade is all about, they are basically an e-commerce insurance company. They sell all their products in the insurance industry right online, meaning that you don't have to go ahead and go to a brick and mortar location, or you don't even have to talk to anybody to go ahead and purchase insurance. You can do it right from their website. Now, they are pretty competitive as far as the price goes, and guys, I will tell you, I am in the insurance industry, and Lemonade is probably one of our biggest competition. Now, in regards to Lemonade, some of the products that they actually offer currently is they offer renters insurance, they do offer homeowners insurance, they offer life insurance, which is a brand new product, and they offer pet insurance as well. They did start off with renters insurance and homeowners insurance, and then recently they announced pet insurance, and then the latest product that they came out with was actually term life insurance. Lemonade has been focused on growing and diversifying themselves within the insurance industry and kind of growing their product line throughout the different insurance products that they have. I did go ahead and do a quote on my homeowner's policy, and this was actually cheaper than my current insurance policy, so they're extremely price competitive as well. I mean, they tell you right here, their renter's policies start as low as $5, their homeowners start as low as $25, term life starts as low as $9, and then even pet insurance starts as low as $10. And pet insurance is probably one of the newest plays in the whole industry, so Lemonade is kind of jumping in front of that. But this kind of gives us a general scope in regards to what Lemonade is. I can certainly say, doing my homework on this company, anybody that actually is a customer ranks this company very highly when they go ahead and compare this to some of the other insurance companies out there. So Lemonade is rated at a 4.9 star by customer reviews in their App Store and on Google Play. So this kind of gives you a general scope of what Lemonade is. Now, as we go ahead and look at their shareholder letter, Lemonade's premium did go up by 87% year over year. When you go ahead and compare 2019 to 2020, they increased their premium that they have in place currently to $213 million. Plus, what I really like to see is their average per customer premium is $213, and that's up 20%. Plus, guys, Lemonade finally went ahead and crossed the 1 million customer mark. So they have over 1 million customers. Now, this chart kind of shows us just in general what their exponential growth has looked like. Basically, in 2018 Q4, they were at 45 million in total premium. In 2019, same quarter, they're at 114, and now they're almost double of that, or up 87% at 213 million in total premium. Now, just looking at their overall gross earned premium and looking at their loss ratio, which both of these things are very important within the insurance industry, their gross premium has basically almost 100 100x from last year. They're up 92%, or they have a total gross premium of 50 million at this point. So they are growing from 10 million to 26 million to 50 million in just the last 3 years. Plus, the other nice thing is when you go ahead and compare insurance companies, you want to go ahead and look at how much they're paying out in claims and what's the annual gross loss ratio. Basically, Lemonade has been able to go ahead and reduce their loss ratio. Last year, they were at 79%, and then 2020, they were at 71%. So that's a good sign as well, because you do want to see less in losses. Now guys, this is basically a summary of what Lemonade shared during their earnings report, and this is basically their progression so far year over year. Now here's the thing, Lemonade and their CEO did share with us a little hint about a new product that they are coming out with. So I want to go ahead and play the clip for you guys here, and I'll tell you guys basically what I think it is, and I think it's going to be pretty obvious after we watch this clip. But let me go ahead and play that real quick.
You're quite right. When we IPO'd just a few months ago, we were a monoline business. We only sold homeowners, renters, condo, but homeowners insurance. And in the short intervening months, we've launched pet insurance, which is doing spectacularly well, and life insurance. We're crossing invisible boundaries in the insurance space to go from health to life to property and casualty. And you're absolutely right, we're not done. And we did hint that we've got a major launch coming. In fact, we have more people working on this yet to be announced product than on any of those other products that I just mentioned. So it's a source of great excitement internally, but I'm sorry, Wilford, to disappoint you. I'm not going to pre-announce it right now.
Keep smiling if it's auto insurance.
Does that count?
There we go. I think we've got it. Sarah.
So guys, there we have it. Basically, I do believe, based on that conversation, that Lemonade is going to be coming in the game for car insurance. Now here's the thing, the car insurance industry is huge. Basically, if Lemonade goes ahead and comes within this sector, this is going to go ahead and be a huge market for Lemonade to go ahead and grow in. Now, the biggest hurdle that I see with them getting into car insurance is going to be how competitive is their price going to be. Basically, within car insurance, that is one of the highest margin products within the insurance industry. So if they can be extremely price competitive, which based on their other products and based on their algorithms, I do believe that they will be extremely competitive and they'll be able to go ahead and make changes pretty quickly. This is going to be huge for Lemonade, and that's one of the main reasons why I'm really bullish on Lemonade. Now currently guys, Lemonade is trading at $103 a share. They went down from trading at right around about 130 bucks to around $100 at this point. So I do believe this is a great buying opportunity for long term, and I am a believer in this company, and I do believe that this company is going to go ahead and at least 5 to 10x over the next 5 years, as long as they're able to stay competitive and they're able to go ahead and offer the same type of customer service in the insurance industry. This company is going to do extremely well, especially as they get into car insurance. Now, I will say, just based on my background in the insurance industry, a lot of the other insurance companies out there cannot go ahead and change their price or change their algorithm behind the scenes overnight, meaning once they have a fixed price in place to go ahead and adjust that price on their car insurance, it takes months to go ahead and do that. With Lemonade, they're actually able to go ahead and use all the data, and with their AI and with their systems and the technology that they offer, they're able to go ahead and change the price overnight. They talk about changing their price multiple times throughout the day, meaning that as they go ahead and collect more data, they've actually before changed the price over 11 times within the same day. So they're able to go ahead and collect all this data from their customers, and they're able to go ahead and adjust the price accordingly. And at the end of the day, it goes right back to the customer as well. So because Lemonade is in the insurance technology space, I believe that this company is going to go ahead and figure out how to go ahead and price insurance and probably become one of the biggest players in the car insurance industry. So I'm pretty bullish on this company, as you guys can go ahead and tell. Now, as far as my portfolio goes, guys, my portfolio is currently down. We were above $100,000, but now we're sitting underneath $100,000. So the current portfolio, guys, is sitting at $99,195. And if we go ahead and look at my Lemonade position, all time, I'm actually down 48%, or $1,000 in the stock. Now, that does kind of suck because I hate losing money, but I built this portfolio for the long term, and especially the growth pie, which is a recent pie that I added within my portfolio. So that's why I'm currently down in this. My current value in Lemonade is $2,864 just in the last week. If we look, that's where a lot of the losses came from. I'm down $682, and then the last month is where basically all the losses came from, and I'm down $1,226. Now my goal is to go ahead and keep dollar cost averaging every single week in the stock, but because the whole market and all these growth stocks are down, I am gonna go ahead and probably put in a little bit more money throughout this week in this particular stock and in some of the other growth stocks that I have in this portfolio. But guys, that's basically gonna sum it up for this video. Just wanted to share with you guys basically why I'm so bullish in regards to this company, and this company is basically looking to go ahead and disrupt one of the oldest industries out there, and they're doing a pretty good job at it so far. It's just at the same time we are seeing a correction, and I believe a lot of these stocks with their price to earnings ratio have gone up way more than they should have been. So this to me is a healthy correction and not a bad time to go ahead and just keep dollar cost averaging into this company. But thanks again guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below as I go ahead and share with you guys all the different stocks that I go ahead and invest in, and do a deeper dive into each one of these stocks and my reasoning on why I'm buying these stocks. Thank you again for watching. If you are interested in trading with M1 Finance, personally I love M1 Finance. This is my main portfolio. You do get $30 when you go ahead and sign up with them. It is a limited time offer, and I'll have a link down in the description, so it does help the channel out as well. But thank you again guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys at the next one.